Guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is super exciting. It is my monthly Boxycharm unboxing. Yes, my Boxycharm's right here. It came in the mail. I'm so excited to have my Boxycharm this month because I heard this month is supposed to be fire. And spoiler alert, I already looked at it, okay? So it is fire. But anyway, Boxycharm is only $25 a month. You can be a regular Boxycharm, or you can go for the higher up subscription, which is $35, or you can go ahead and be both and then get a Lux as well and have all three. It's up to you. It is up to you. But I love Boxycharm, and I just wanted to go ahead and do my unboxing. So if you guys wanted to sign up for Boxycharm, all the information is below. And y'all, I did my makeup today, okay? Freshened up my hair. Y'all know it's real when she put on the makeup, okay? Okay, so anyway, let's get into this month's box. So this month's box theme is called Breaking the Ice. And y'all, they broke the ice, okay, for the year 2020 is about to be off the chain with Boxycharm, and they letting us know what's tea, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started because I'm loving everything in this box. So the first thing, y'all, this Too Faced. This is the Diamond Light highlighter, y'all. Yes, a Too Faced highlighter, y'all. This highlighter normally goes for $36. Bam, box paid for right there. And what? Okay, it already paid for itself in this one item. And this is just a really pretty highlighter. So it opens up like this. Oh, I have the other one, like the original one that came like this. So I have that. So now I have this one too. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I'm super excited about it. And look, it opens up like a ring. Will you wear me? Yes, I will, boo. And look at the color. That color is so pretty. Like, let me swatch it. Yes, like, and I only used a little bit, ever so lightly. Yes, I cannot wait to wear this one. This is really, really pretty. Yeah, that's my jammy jam. $36, no ma'am, in the box for $25. So I was really happy to get that item. But wait, there is a lot more with Breaking the Ice this year with Boxycharm, okay? Pick up the next item. It is the Wander Beauty Trip for Two, a blush and bronzer duo. Just like that. And it is a brush and bronzer duo. Can I talk? And it runs for $36. I haven't opened this one yet, so I don't even know what it looks like. Y'all see? I ain't even opened it. But of course, for the purpose of the video, I am going to open it with you guys so we can look at it together. But man, $36 for this joint? That's crazy, y'all. Like, dang, in the box. It's in the box, y'all. It's in the box. What it looks like, it has a nice mirror right here. Don't want to blind you with the mirror, but that's the product. I think the blush is going to be too light, and so will the bronzer. So this won't be for me. This is a no for me. And the only reason why it's a no is because I'm a deeper skin tone, and those are just, they're not going to work for my skin complexion. But this makes a great gift. If you get something that doesn't work with your skin complexion, or it's just something you don't want for your skin type, you know, always gift it, sell it, whatever you want to do with it. The next item I have here is the Grand Cosmetics. This is a thickening mascara. Yes, I needed something like this. I have really thin, you know, eyelashes, as you guys can see, and mascara only does so much for me. And I don't wear falsies. I'm trying to get into them this year, but y'all, I don't even know if I'm going to get into them. It's like when you're a mom and all that, it's just like, we barely want to get ready as it is. The average mom, there's some moms out there glam bam, okay? But the average mom, we like, you know what? Our shirt don't got no stain on it. We're happy. Our clothes match, our socks match, maybe that day, and we're happy. So, you know, thickening mascara is definitely a plus for me. So I got that one included, and it normally goes for $25. So this is normally $25. So boom, pay for the box in itself. Now this item right here, is something I've been eyeing for a very, very long time that I'm about to show you. And now I get to finally try it. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. The Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiant boosting face mask, formulated with smoothing amino acid, rich watermelon extract, hydrating, y'all know I love hydration, hyaluronic acid, and pore refining AHAs Y'all let me know what that is below. That work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. Y'all, if this works good, I will be getting more of the Glow recipe line. It's just, I didn't want to spend a lot of money and take that risk and not know what it do. You know what I mean? So to get it included in my Boxycharm and be able to finally test it out, that's amazing. That is amazing. And this normally goes for $22. So I was really happy to get that. That's actually one of my most favorite items that I got. And the last thing is a palette, and everything comes wrapped really nice. So this is the palette. Y'all already opened it. It runs for $34.99. And this palette is perfect for my skin tone. And this is what it looks like. Ace Beauty. How pretty is that? Packaging is life. Y'all know I'm a package junkie. Y'all know I'm a package junkie. So the packaging on it is life, and it's the same packaging right here. And I think it has a mirror. Yes, that's the mirror right there. Yes, and these are the shadows, y'all. I'm about to show y'all these shadows. This is perfect for fall in my opinion, but it's just perfect for my skin tone all around. Look at that. How pretty are these shadows? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. These shadows are extremely pigmented and beautiful because y'all know I had to already test it out. And I just, I love me a good palette. And y'all, this is a good palette. Like a good. So yeah, this is really gonna work for me. So yay. I am so happy to have this in my life. Because I love palettes. Like one thing, y'all, I might not wear makeup a lot, but I own like 30 palettes because I like collecting them. I'm a palette collector. Y'all will see in another video I got coming up, but I'm a huge palette collector just because. I don't know, just because I collect them. I need help. I need rehab. Somebody send me the rehab, but when you can get this included, and it usually costs $30-something, and you get it included in a $25 box, where you losing, huh? You're not. You're winning, okay? You're winning. So y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm about to end it. But what was my favorite item? Let me walk you. Let me show you something. Okay, let me walk you through real quick. My favorite item, hands down, was the Too Faced Diamond Light. This made it for me. This is everything. So that, and then the Glow recipe, because I really wanted to try the line. And the packaging is absolutely beautiful for the Glow recipe watermelon. So yes, please. That was my second favorite. My third favorite definitely had to be the Ace palette because the colors for fall is lit in this. So I really do like it, but I'll wear fall color all year round. I don't care. I have no picks. So definitely that was my third favorite. And then of course, the mascara, because I love volumizing mascaras and the ones that thicken, because my lashes, honey, need all the thickening help it can get. So that was nice. And my least favorite was just the Wander product. And the only reason why is because it's something I can't use. It'll make a gift for someone else. It just was something that didn't go with my skin tone, and that's okay because everything ain't gonna work for your skin tone all the time. So it makes a great gift, and trust me, I already know somebody who wants this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you love Boxycharm, definitely make sure to let me know below. Let me know what you got in your box this month and what you're loving and what you was like, girl, bye, they should never put it. Let me know that in the comments below as well. I love you guys. I cannot wait to bring you more makeup content this year because I know some people was like, girl, you stopped doing makeup. And I'm like, I know, it's just because I don't know. I've been in that home mom life, and that space in my brain that's just like, you know, doing the bare minimum kind of thing. But I'm going to try to get a little bit more fancy, as my Gracie likes to say. So I'm going to work on for 2020 to get a little bit more fancy on y'all. But don't worry, Bath and Body Works and all that ain't going to work because I'm a saving and shopaholic mama. But I do want to bring out some more makeup on here because I think the channel deserves it. And it's one of the bases that started my channel to begin with. Plus, you know, your girl is fabulous. I'm just playing, y'all. But, you know, I'm not too bad for 30-something. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, let me know your favorite product below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.